Crypto enthusiasts, we have some major updates for you. XRP could be on the verge of an explosive surge, and top analysts are predicting a price target of $25. But why such optimism? And how does the upcoming US presidential election play into this forecast? Stick with us because today, we're unraveling the details behind this bold prediction, from anticipated political shifts to whale movements that could push XRP to new heights. If you're holding XRP or are even remotely interested in the future of cryptocurrency, this is a video you cannot miss. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, where we break down the biggest trends, forecasts, and game-changing events in the cryptocurrency market. I'm Zaki, and today, we're tackling the boldest XRP prediction on everyone's radar. With a target set at $25, we're diving into the expert analysis that explains why XRP could see massive gains in the coming months. From political impacts to key resistance levels, and even how big crypto whales might play into it, we've got a lot to unpack. Let's jump right in. Imagine what a $25 XRP would mean for the market. This target isn't just a random number, it's based on significant upcoming events that could align perfectly to spark a rally. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the experts believe this surge is likely and what to look out for in the coming weeks. So keep watching, because missing these details could mean missing out on a potentially life-changing opportunity in crypto. Before we dive deep into this analysis, don't forget to hit that like button if you're pumped about XRP's potential, and make sure to subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update for regular updates that keep you ahead in the crypto game. Let's break it down. So, where does this bold prediction of a $25 XRP come from? Recently, an influential crypto analyst, well known in the industry for accurately forecasting market shifts, shared his thoughts on why XRP might be headed to this eye-catching target. According to him, this $25 mark isn't just a dream or clickbait, it's a realistic goal rooted in very specific market and political factors. The driving forces? A combination of political events, regulatory shifts, and seasonal trends in crypto markets. Now, one of the most impactful factors behind this prediction is the upcoming US presidential election. This analyst is watching the election closely, especially as the leading candidates, Donald Trump and Kamla Harris, compete for the highest office. According to Polymarket data, there's currently a 64.4% chance that Trump will win the presidency, making him the frontrunner. Here's where things get interesting. This analyst believes that a Trump victory could be a massive catalyst for crypto prices across the board. If Trump wins, he suggests that Bitcoin could hit $100,000, Ethereum $10,000, and XRP could skyrocket to $25. The reason behind this is partly tied to Trump's previous stance on financial markets and his focus on supporting growth-friendly policies. But the prediction doesn't stop at Trump's win, it gets even more interesting when we look at potential regulatory changes at the SEC. This brings us to a critical point, the Securities and Exchange Commission. If Trump wins, it's likely we'll see some changes at the SEC, potentially including a replacement of current SEC Chair Gary Gensler. For those not in the know, Gensler has had a relatively strict stance on cryptocurrency, especially on altcoins. This analyst points out that a new SEC leader could lead to more favorable conditions for cryptocurrencies like XRP. In fact, XRP has been caught in a long-standing legal battle with the SEC, and a change in leadership could impact the outcome of that case, potentially clearing XRP of its regulatory hurdles. This scenario, according to the analyst, could send XRP on a bullish run, making that $25 target much more realistic. But what if Kamala Harris wins? According to the same analyst, her victory would likely result in a more conservative price target for crypto assets. Harris's policies might not be as crypto-friendly, which could lead to less optimistic projections. In this scenario, the expert suggests Bitcoin could cap out around $85,000, Ethereum around $6,000, and XRP at a much more modest $1. This isn't to say XRP would drop, it just means the massive growth potential might not be as achievable in this political landscape. However, the analyst points out an important factor: regardless of who wins, the markets will still benefit from the reduced uncertainty that an election outcome brings, which typically fuels bullish trends. Let's talk about the timing. The fourth quarter of any year is often bullish for crypto, but in particular, Q4 of halving years like this one has historically seen impressive gains. Halving events reduce the reward miners receive for mining blocks, effectively limiting the supply of certain cryptocurrencies over time. This reduction in supply often coincides with rising prices. If you look at past cycles, we see that Bitcoin and many altcoins tend to experience rallies in the months following a halving event. This analyst highlights that, historically, Q4 of having years has a record of driving prices up, and XRP could be one of the major beneficiaries of this trend. Now let's get technical. XRP's recent price movements have been relatively stable, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, stability often precedes big price swings. XRP has been hovering around the 52-cent range, showing small fluctuations but no significant drops. This level of stability is actually a good sign. Currently, XRP faces strong resistance at the 52 cents level. If it breaks through this resistance, the next target is the 60-cent mark, another potential hurdle on the way to higher prices. With minimal trend strength according to the ADX indicator, which reads at 17.13, the market appears calm, but calm markets can sometimes signal the calm before the storm. If XRP can break these key levels, that $25 target might start to look a lot more achievable. Another significant factor in XRP's potential rally is the activity of crypto whales, those major investors whose movements often hint at where the market is headed. Recent data reveals that whale transactions have closely aligned with XRP's price increases. For example, in July and August, we saw major spikes in large transactions, each coinciding with notable price gains. Recently, though, whale activity has dipped, suggesting that many big players might be holding out for the next price rally. When whales start accumulating, it can signal an upcoming surge, as big transactions tend to create a ripple effect, pun intended, that impacts the rest of the market. So, if we start to see whale accumulation in the coming weeks, it could be a strong indicator that XRP's next upward move is imminent. So, let's pull it all together. Is $25 for XRP realistic, or is it just hype? According to this analyst, it's absolutely realistic. With factors like a favorable election outcome, potential SEC changes, historical Q4 market trends in halving years, and whale behavior, all the right ingredients for a massive XRP rally could be in place. While there are always risks and no guarantees in crypto, the pieces do seem to be aligning, making the $25 target more than just wishful thinking. If these factors converge, XRP could very well be poised for the kind of price action that would make waves across the entire crypto space. What do you think? Could XRP actually reach $25? Share your predictions in the comments below. And if you're finding this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're always up to date with the latest crypto insights. Thanks for watching this deep dive into XRP's potential rise to $25. Here at Zaki Crypto Update, we're all about bringing you well-researched insights. Be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and updates on Pi Network and other cryptos. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep exploring the future of finance together.